Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 157 Fitzroy Road in Rivervale. If you're the first home buyer looking to get started with a home close to the city, then this is an opportunity not to be missed. Or if you're a downsizer looking for an easy care home that still has the yard for the pets or even the grandchildren, then this is the home for you as well. So come on in and enjoy your tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed your tour of 157 Fitzroy Road in Rivervale. As you can see, this is a fantastic opportunity to get yourself started in an inner city suburb of Rivervale, so don't miss out. For more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.